Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss how to change system name. Your laptops or your computer, how we can change our system name. First of all, we have to go to start menu, then system settings, and here we look systems, click on systems and go to about menu. Friends, here we can see the different options like say device specification, then rename this PC, and then Windows specification, Windows version, and when are installed or OS build, and all other information about system are available here. Here we can, if we want to change our system name, we have to click rename this PC. Current name is desktop dash this one, and we can change the system name according to our requirement, as we want to write the name of this PC. Here are some other options which I want to share with you. You can also go to right side and see here rename this PC. This is in advanced settings. Here is you show advanced system setting, and after this rename this PC, click on it. These are the system properties and computer name. If we want to computer name, then we can click on change. Here is the computer name. We can change its name, like we want to write it okay, and click on OK. It gives a message, you must restart your computer to apply these settings. We need to restart the system to apply the setting. Without this it will not be applicable, so we need to restart the system. We can restart now, or we can select restart later. I am selecting restart later. I will do it later. So this is the complete procedure how to rename your system, your laptop, or your personal computer. You can change this your system name through this method. I hope you will understand all the procedure which are discussed in this video. If you have any issue, you can write me in comments. I will give you answer and help out if you are facing any difficulty. Thank you. Bye.